In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a brochure on Canva. So from the home page, go into the search bar and just type in brochure. And you'll have two size options here. You can click on either one that you like. Okay, and then first of all, you'll have a load of random different templates. I'd suggest just going into a blank one and locating a template that is more suited to what your brochure is going to be about. So in the design tab is where you'll find all the templates. So say if I wanted to make a brochure about fashion, I can go ahead and type in fashion, and it will give me a load of different styles that I can use. This one you'll see actually has 2 pages to it. You don't have, if you like this design, you don't have to use both pages if you don't want to. So let's say I do want this design. You can either add just one or the other. I'm going to go ahead and add this one. And then what you can do is obviously edit the text as you like, change the images. So if you click on it, press backspace, go into your elements, type in clothes or fashion, whatever you like. Go ahead and just pull the image that you like in. We can change the size, how much of the image that you see. But I'd suggest staying in the guidelines that are there, so when you print it, it will all be in the correct format. That's why templates are good, and making sure you found the right template for you. Just because they're pre-designed to print as a brochure, so they're all in the right places. So when it prints, it will fold out like a brochure. So just make sure you're keeping everything aligned to where the template is. You can obviously go ahead and change the background if you want to a different color, the font color different, make any changes that you like. And that is how you make a brochure.